Hello, today we will guide you through how to publish your Lovable website. To begin, open Lovable and go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point, where you can access your projects and manage the work you've already created. If you're not already on the home screen, make sure you navigate there first so everything matches the steps in this walkthrough. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on All Projects. This section gives you a full view of the websites and builds available in your account. If you have multiple projects, this is the easiest place to locate the one you want to publish. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct project, especially if several projects have similar names. Next, select the sample project from the projects list. Clicking into the project will open its workspace, where you can review the current version before publishing. It's always a good idea to quickly scan the page and make sure the project is ready to go live, since publishing typically makes your latest version available for others to access. After the project opens, move to the top right area of the screen and click Publish. This is the main action that starts the publishing process. When you select Publish, Lovable will begin guiding you through the steps needed to make your website live. Depending on your setup, you may see a confirmation screen or additional publishing options. When prompted, click Continue. This moves you forward into the next stage of publishing. At this point, the platform may prepare your site, verify settings, or ask you to confirm details related to how the website will be deployed. Read each screen carefully so you understand what is being confirmed before moving ahead. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Lovable will provide the remaining instructions based on your project and publishing configuration. These prompts may include final confirmations or settings that need to be reviewed before your website goes live. The important thing here is to proceed step by step and let the platform guide you through the final part of the process. Once you've completed those on-screen instructions, your Lovable website should be published successfully. If anything doesn't look right, you can usually return to the project workspace, make adjustments, and publish again when ready. That's it for this guide on publishing your Lovable website.